Hey guys, Sean from Living Seeds, your seed guru. Today we are talking garlic plaiting. We're in the Living Seeds seedling production tunnel. I've got some white soft neck garlic. I'm going to be teaching you how to plait garlic and how to add value to your garlic harvest. To braid your garlic or to plait your garlic, you need a couple of things. You need a pair of scissors or some secateurs. You need some twine. I'm using blue baling twine just so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Normally we would use a Hessian twine that biodegrades quite nicely inside your compost heap. And you need a soft neck garlic. So the garlic needs to be a soft neck, and you can see that this garlic is pliable. We can actually bend it like this. If it's a hard neck garlic, you are unable to do this. So this is a technique that is only good for soft neck garlic and not hard neck garlic. As you can see, the garlic has been cleaned. We've cut some of the roots off. We've taken the outside wrappers so that we have this good looking garlic, which will make a beautiful plait. The first step is you take your string and you make a loop in the string and you pass it through like this. You make it nice and snug, and now you can cut this one off. I find it easier now to actually hang this from somewhere above me, because it gives me a third hand that makes the job so much easier. The most important part now is that you need to keep this open, and all you do is you take your garlic, you put it through, and you wrap it around the one and through the other. And you just keep repeating that. You put it through, you wrap it around the one, like that. You can push it down nicely, but you can see that the garlic stem is wrapped around and it's through the gap. And put it through again. You wrap it around and you put it through. And as you can see, what's starting to happen is that the one above, the garlic above, is going to hold this one down. So put it through again, like that. You wrap it around and then through again. It is quite important to understand. You can see that this one was wrapped over here, so your next one must wrap on this one. So you'll put the garlic over here, you bring it around, you wrap it around the next one, and you bring it back. Next garlic clove goes here, so you can see it's wrapped around this one. You want to wrap it around that one. Just take this one out because it's hanging a little bit further out. So if you make a mistake like this one over here, you can actually pull it out, push everything down, and then just refill it in where you'd like it to go and where it looks better. But to get back to what I was saying, to make these garlic braids or garlic plaits look better is you grade all of the garlic by size, so that you can have smaller garlic at the bottom going to larger garlic, or you can just have all of the garlic as the same size on the braid. And then you're able to actually weigh the braid and sell the garlic by the kilo in the braid, which would be very cool actually, come to think of it. So now we're coming to the end of our garlic braid, and you can make this as long as you want. You can make it as neat as you want. This is just a quick example for you guys. The last one, you want to double wrap it. So you wrap it around this string, you wrap it around this one, and bring it back through over here. So you wrap it around again, you bring it back through, and basically you've tied both of these strings together. You would clip this, and I like to leave a little bit extra because that little bit extra acts as a tag so that it doesn't come out that easy. You pull the whole lot down, and now, I need a knife please. You pull the whole lot down, and now it's basically a case of you cut it. What you want to do now is you want to take it and tie it down, and that just locks everything in place. Now what you can do is you can take a card, you can put your farm's name on the card, you can put the garlic variety, you can put cooking instructions, all of those wonderful things. The only thing that's left to do is to tie a knot over here to hang it inside your kitchen or on your farmer's stand, and off you go. If you weren't using blue baling twine and you used a hessian, it would look a lot better. And now all you need to do is you can just harvest. When it's dry, you can actually just turn them off like this, but I can't do this. So Josh, come stand here and hold this for me, please. Those of you that haven't met Joshua, our farm manager, this is Joshua, the farm manager. And to harvest off here, you can basically take garlic anywhere off this, and the whole thing is not going to fall apart. So you can take garlic anywhere. We actually like to start at the bottom and work up, but you can cut garlic anywhere off this braid, and it's not going, the whole braid is not going to fall apart. Once you get down to the last 5 or 6 garlic heads, the braid will start falling apart, but up until that point you have this beautiful braid hanging in your kitchen. Thank you, Josh. Sure. Guys, if you find any value in this video, please like and subscribe. We'll make sure you get notified so you get our next videos.